is this one. So you spin into this position, then you can stop there, do some walking steps in between, and to exit, that's a bit more advanced already, you can push the handle and go right into the next bit. And if it's a bit longer, you don't hit yourself so easy. I'm still working on it, so I don't nail it every time I do it, but it works basically that you're spinning on horizontal plane inwards, so from the front the handle comes towards you, and then you do kind of isolation around the neck. So I'm going here, and when the handle hits the neck, the hand that holds the fibers follows here around as far as it can go, and then the handle comes out here under the arm. And at the same time you have to let the whip slide a bit through the fingers, so that in the end you have a lot more length. In the beginning, when you start spinning, it will be approximately point length or your arm length, and during the move you let it slide, so in the end you're really at almost full length of the whip. So you spin around here, and then you catch the whip with the other arm. You can also spin under the arm and catch the handle behind and go into this kind of body triangle, but for this move here you stay over the other arm, just catch it here, let the whip slide into the right length, and the other hand can here go behind the handle, and then can you pose in this position and well, do some walking or whatever you want. So once again, spinning on the horizontal plane, going around the neck, let the whip slide and catch here with the other arm. Showing it with the other hand, always do both hands, even if the whip is mainly used as a single prop, always do both hands so you have more freedom in your flow. So you're spinning here on the horizontal plane, inwards, the handle comes from the outside, from the front towards you, and go around the neck here. The moment the whip hits the neck, the hand starts to follow around as far as possible, and let the whip slide through your fingers. So it's like this, and when it comes around, you catch it here with the other arm, so the arm is underneath, and then you can put your hand behind the handle and just end up in this position. Showing you once again, spinning here on horizontal plane, around, oops, I didn't let it slide enough, spinning on horizontal plane, around the neck, let the whip slide, catch with the other arm, and pose. You can also skip the way around the neck and just spin here on the horizontal plane and only around the arm. That works as well. So this is one of the things you learn when you try flow arts. It's not about single moves, but you have always many entrances into a move, and every entrance can lead to other moves. So you can just spin around the arm, let the whip slide through, and then catch here. Also for the other side, spinning here just around the arm, and then catch it with the other hand, and you end up in this position. And the third way is just spinning on the vertical plane, on wall plane, spinning outwards. And then I show it from this side, I think, here over your arm. So you stick out the elbow when you spin. So you spin here over the arm, and then the whip swings to the other side, and you can catch it again with the other hand. Once again, spinning outwards, over the arm, over the other arm, and you end up here. Doing the other side, spinning outwards, stick the elbow out that you can spin here over the arm, and then it swings to the other side, you catch it here, and you're in this position. You can also go into a triangle, or there are other options, but I think this is enough for just for today. If you want the exit, you really need to be comfortable with the neck spin already. So spinning on wall plane and then just once around your neck. I don't know how many can do this already, but if you're comfortable with this one, and I think it's from spinning outwards, then you can combine it. So you go in this position, and then you push the handle behind up that it starts spinning, so you end up here actually on the wheel plane. And you do a quarter turn to the side where the handle is. So I'm flipping this up, turn, and you can go into the next spin. Once again, in this position, flip up, and in the next spin. For the other side, you come from here. So when you're on the other side, you have to do this turn to the other side. So now the handle is here on that side. Pushing it and go right into the next spin. Once again, you push the handle to the back, that it starts spinning on wheel plane. And there you go. If you can do this and catch it with the arm, you can also just catch it with the leg, and if you keep the balance, you're in this position. And I tried, and actually 80% chance I mess up, but then you could kick up and go in the next spin from there. Like so. For anyone who wants a bit more advanced stuff. So on the other side, you go here around the leg, and then you compose here. But I don't do the next spin from that side, I haven't practiced that already.